Well, dear friends, I welcome you and thank you all for being present on the occasion of flag hoisting ceremony on the eve of the 62nd Republic Day of India. I have the pleasure to read the speech delivered by Honorable President of India on this occasion. My fellow citizens, on the eve of our 62nd Republic Day, I extend my warmest greetings to all of you across the country and also to those living abroad. I convey my special greetings to the members of our armed forces and paramilitary forces who guard our frontiers and to our internal security forces. I also compliment every citizen from every walk of life for contributing to the process of nation building. 26 January is a very significant date in our nation's calendar when we celebrate the establishment of Free India as a republic based on the ideology of justice and equality. It is a day when we recall with gratitude the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and the work of our founding fathers for giving to us a country where our dignity and individual freedoms are guaranteed by an enlightened constitution. It must also be an occasion when we rededicate ourselves to maintaining harmony, peace, and brotherhood. Most of all, it is a time to introspect about how we fared so far and in which direction are we moving. For our achievements, the foremost credit goes to the drive and the dedicated hard work of millions of men and women of our country. We are witness to the increasing influence of India and its steady economic growth that has brought prosperity to an increasing number of people. We can be proud of our successes, but there are many significant tasks that are yet to be accomplished, in particular, the pledge to empower the poor and the marginalized sections of our population so that they too can become a part of the growth story of our nation. Dear citizens, we are fortunate that we are the inheritors of the ideals and values of one of the world's oldest civilizations, which has bequeathed to us a rich treasure of human experiences and thought. The concept of the human race being one, the importance of living in harmony with each other and with nature, the quest for knowledge and truth find prominence in our age-old culture. These ideas provided inspiration for our freedom movement and after our independence found a ready resonance in our Constitution. As citizens of this country, each one of us, therefore, has a duty and a responsibility to demonstrate that these principles have given to us the motivation and the strength to build our great nation. Here, I am reminded of some lines of a well-known poem, Daya Ahimsa Prem Bhav Ki Sada Triveni Bahe, which means compassion, non-violence, goodwill may always flow in unison. With these words, I once again greet all fellow citizens on the occasion of Republic Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We now come to the second part of our program, which is a short cultural function. And this would start by a patriotic song by the Abu Dhabi Indian School.
क्या
you.